Almost every time you create a new Google business profile, it gets suspended, and you have to like jump through some hoops to get it back. Sometimes they get suspended randomly when nothing else happens. And lately we've had local service ads accounts just stop getting calls with zero explanation or anything. And so Dino, he's our guy who manages all this. We had one client who we signed him up for local service ads about 2 months ago. He got 2 calls and then nothing. And in the dashboard you can see impressions. So impression is anytime your ad shows up, and then you've got calls is when they actually clicked and called. So we could see his impressions were 0 as well. So we knew something was wrong. So after we checked everything that we could check, we contacted local service ads support. And we're reaching people in India. People would be like, oh, this is something to do with your Google Ads billing account. So you need to contact Google Ads support. We don't even use Google Ads for this client, so that kind of sucks. But we hit up Google Ads support anyway. They always say, oh, well, we're gonna look into it and we'll get back to you in like the next 3 days. They get back to us, this is not something that we can fix. You must contact local service ads support. So Dino, for the last 6 weeks, I kid you not, every 3 days has been getting passed back and forth. And he's done emails, he did the chat support, he's called them multiple times. He's been on calls for hours that end up dropping. It's been absolutely brutal, and we still don't know exactly what the problem was. But the advice I've always given is what we do, which is just brute force, like don't give up. Just keep on trying, keep on bugging them. And they fixed it yesterday. Client got 3 calls. Made $1,200 already, so that's cool.
Nice.
And then they responded today and just said, hey, like it's been fixed. And so now we're asking, well, why? What was broken?
Yeah.
But the straw that broke the camel's back, at least from what we can tell, is we got passed back and forth a dozen times. And so what we did was we copied all of the emails back and forth, put them into AI, had AI create like a documented log of every single thing that happened when it happened. We added in the phone calls and the chats and all of that. And then we just pasted that into the support ticket thing that they were sending us to again, and started it with like, here's a log, you've passed us back and forth 12 times now. Like, we've tried everything, don't do this again, just fix it. And then a day later it got fixed.
Yeah, that's crazy. Someone must have realized like, oh, that is actually really silly.
Yeah.
Let me actually look at this one this time.
Yeah, like that's what I'm assuming is they couldn't just give the same generic answer because we had demonstrated to them that they had already done that so many times. So the advice is what we're going to do moving forward is just you have to jump through some hoops. So if they send you to someone else, go to someone else. If they send you back, go back. But document everything. And every time you go back and forth, just include all of that info in there.
Yeah.
And I've always had a lot of success when I do it personally of kind of being a Karen about it and just being like, you did this then, you did this then, I've done this, we did everything you said, this is unacceptable, stop doing this, like just escalate this to someone that can help. And often like 9 out of 10 times that I've done that in the past, it just gets fixed.
Yeah.
So you just have to like, don't let them pass you around. Sometimes you have to, but dump the evidence on them. Don't just, a lot of people will try like 1 or 2 times and then they give up and they call us.
Yeah.
And they're like, can you help us fix this? And we can, but we charge a lot of money for it. And all we're going to do is the same thing you can do, which is just keep trying and like be a thorn in their side. Anyways, we're offering a free market position report. You can find the link in the description or in the top comment, and answer 6 questions. Someone on my team or I myself will take a look at your stuff. We'll schedule a short Zoom call with you and we'll show you what we find, answer any questions you have, and help you get heading in the right direction. So go find that link, answer those questions, and check it out. It's free to you to try.